And also second,
Well, like net positive. Everyone there is happy. Oh yeah.
Hi guys, how are you all? How was the break? Not able to hear you. How was the break, guys? Good?
Good.
Okay, nice. Okay, had a question. With you, did that solve your question? Did I solve your question?
Yeah, you solved it. Like it was just the last part with like where the -4 was. It was weird. That's why.
But you got it now?
Yeah, I got it now.
Okay, good. But my very much of a concern was we have done function composition in class, right?
Yeah, like I just didn't know why the. I just got confused. Like I have no idea what I did, and I was like, I got some weird answers. So I was like, what?
Oh, you got it now. Good,
Yeah,
right? Okay,
yeah,
good.
I did the calculations wrong.
Okay, great. Okay. Uh, let me bring up that question in the class and ask. I felt, but I don't have it down. One second. Hey, you have it on the. Do you have it with you now, or I can bring it? Hold on.
I have it with me right now.
Would you be able to share it?
Okay. I just need to go to a website because I have it physically right
Okay,
now.
man, no problem. I think I can bring it. Just give me 1 minute. This is number one. Guys, I really want you to solve this question. Let me see. I'm going to share my finder. It's okay.
Randy.
Yeah,
There's
go
also
ahead.
one question that needed to use like a midpoint formula or something like that.
I'll go over that, okay?
Okay.
Okay, guys, would you be able to do this? It's an algebra 1 question that was given in some competition. Can we try? 2 questions I have. I really want you guys to try because those were all solved in class. I mean, we have done problems in class similar to that. So I really want to see whether where we are. Can we try that?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, sorry guys, sorry guys. This is number 1. Yeah, you're not seeing my screen, huh? That's bad. Now you're seeing my screen? Would you be able to do this? Others. Vidyut, I know that you know now, but do you think you can solve it? It's not hard, I tell you. This one is not at all hard.
But find the value of what?
Amma, Ashwik, I want you to be on the video, Ashwik. I'm so sorry to ask.
Okay.
What is it?
Nothing.
Do you think you can see and then see? Okay, this week I really wanted to do the completion of squares and some of its applications. So nice completion of squares. Usually in algebra 1 class I will not go in depth, but in this class I really want to go in depth with completion of squares and some quadratic optimizations. Those are all good to learn topics. It's okay. I know your school algebra 1 may not cover it, but it's very quite useful. Try that one. This is an easy. These two are relatively easy questions. The second one I really want you to solve because we have done that in class so many times, I felt. Sooner we go, the better it is. Need help?
Miss Priya, I answered.
Yeah, I'm checking. Ritisha, looks like you have got a good hang of it now, right? Uh,
Yeah, because I like did a bunch of like math kangaroo and I've always done them, so I think like it's like a similar format.
I think, see, I got the same answer, Ritisha. Let's see from the others.
Yeah, and if it's like a different answer, I could show you how I got it, like to see my
No,
mistake.
I'm good. See, guys, you're all able to do. See, that's the advantage of doing this book.
Was my answer correct?
Yes, Vishnuram. Sorry, I saw I did not say. I think some of them forgot to join the class. Oh my gosh. Anish is not in here, right? Dia, good to see you, ma. Were you looks like you were busy, right?
A little.
Okay. Ah, correct, Swarit. Be confident, Swarit. Johan, no Johan. Try once more, Johan. I am sure you can because you know quadratics. Ashwik, correct. You have to keep a note of every single thing that's given. This is quite important. Dia, I want you to try Dia.
Priyanti,
Yeah,
on this thing, I have one more question. Can I send it to you?
sure.
Okay, but give me a second.
Not really, Sham. How did you get that? See, what are the solutions for this equation, Sham?
Wait, let me check.
X equal to minus 3 and 3, right?
-3 and 3.
Yeah, and after that, you have to take in such a way that this is 3 and this is minus 3. And then plug it in, right? When you plug it in, you have to be very careful. That's why they've given you. Hey, Vidyut, you're going to send it to my mobile now.
Oh, okay.
I'll check.
Yeah, these questions are nice questions though. This will really help you a lot with when you take up this PSAT.
Wait, I have a question.
Yeah.
Wouldn't negative 3 squared be negative 9?
Come again, sorry.
Isn't negative 3 squared negative 9?
No, you forgot.
Or is it?
I'm glad you're asking. Minus 3 times minus 3 is a 9, right?
Oh, okay.
Negative times negative, right?
Is that my answer?
You sent your answer. Let me see. Correct, Johan. See, that's what I told you. It's not a hard one.
Wait, I thought it was in the parentheses negative 3 squared would be 9. Like,
Sorry, what are you saying? I didn't get it.
is
You can show me in the board itself. What is it?
if this would be if negative 3 squared is 9, then what would be just this and then squared?
This
That's
square is
also
9, okay? But this one square is a negative 9.
negative 9.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Wow. Can I solve that question after class and send Vidyut? Shall I do that after class and send it to you? Yeah, I think so, because if I keep on, I think that's a relatively difficult problem, and I'll bring it to you next class for the class. Uh, because it will take away the time, I feel. Sham, correct. See, you all got it. Slowly you'll get it. It's just that you're not plugging in correctly or something of that sort. So this will be a, can I move on? This will be a -3. P is greater than Q, right? Yeah. So this will get cancelled. P is a +3, right? Just plugging in works. 2Q, Q is negative, right? P is positive, that's it. You just plug in -4 times 2 times +6, then +3 -1. What happens? This is -8, right? -8 plus 6 is -2 plus 3 -1. It's a 0. That's all. Can I move on? Vishnu Ram, did you get it? Diya, did you get it?
Yeah, send the answer.
Okay, one more. I just want one more. This one. How about that? It's so hard. I don't know why it gives me that way, but that's what it is. Let me. I think this is good. Let me share that screen with you guys. How about this? This one I really want you to be able to solve. We have done function composition, so I felt you should be able to solve. Function composition is nothing but what? You are giving the output of one function as the input of the other function. That's all. If you give x as input, the function f of x gives you 2x minus 9. If you give x plus 1 as the input, the function g gives the output x square minus 3x plus 6. I really want at least 3 or 4 of you to solve. Let me see. Who are evil?
Miss Priya sent an answer.
Ritisha, that's not the answer I got, but I can check once more.
I said my answer.
Yeah, I'll check ma. Let's see whether we all unite. Yeah, Johan, I got your answer. Then we should be right, I feel. Ritisha, you want to try it again?
Yeah, I'll try it again.
Yeah. But you understand how it works, right?
Yeah, I think I
See,
made a mistake just
attack
like
it from the inside. Find g of 3 first. When you want to find g of 3, you should substitute x equal to 2.
yeah,
So
that's what I did.
with that you will find g of 3. And then you feed that as input. Whatever you find, that becomes the input to the f function. That's all.
Yeah, that's what I did. But maybe I made a mistake in my calculation. I'll go again.
Okay, yeah. And can you remind me, did we do completing squares in this class?
Oh,
Did we do completing squares?
I don't think so.
Okay. Okay, we'll do whatsoever I want you to get that. Even if we have done, I don't mind revising or whatever. That's right, Ritesh. Shyam, correct. Ashwik, correct. Can I help anybody else? I'm here. You can tell me, oh, you solve, then I'll solve. But don't take too much time, guys.
Miss Priya, I don't understand this.
Yeah, no problem. If one of you asks like that, I can immediately solve, right? See, f of x equal to 2x minus 9, right? G of x plus 1 equal to x square minus 3x plus 6, right? Now they're asking for minus 4 times f of g of 3. Okay, first see here. For the f function, they are giving g of 3 as the input. You don't know what it is first of all. So what you need to find? You need to find g of 3. That means you are going to substitute x equal to what, Vishnuram?
X equals to 3?
No.
X equals to x plus 1.
You have to find g of 3. So what you should substitute x?
3x plus 3?
No, ma. See, you are going to give 3 as the input to the function g. Here the general form is given. If you give x plus 1 as the input to function g, you will get this, they are saying. If you want to make 3 as your input is whatever is inside the parenthesis. If you want to give 3 as the input, what will be the value of x?
I don't know. Can you explain it?
X plus 1 will be equal to 3, right?
Yeah.
So what is x?
X 2.
2. You have to substitute x equal to 2. So g of 3 will be equal to 2 square minus 3 times 2 plus 6. Make sense, Vishnuram?
Yeah.
So g of 3 is a 4. You got it? Now I will take this in here. Plug that in. They are asking minus 4 times f of 4. Do you know how to find f of 4 from here? Do you know how to find f of 4 from here?
Yeah.
How? You'll substitute x equal to what?
2.
No.
Oh, you have to plug it into so you have to plug 4 into that.
Yes, you have to plug f. Good.
Minus 3.
Yep. So what is the answer here? Minus 4 times minus 1 is a 4. That's it. Make sense? Okay. Now let's.
Yeah.
Anybody, you did have any questions further? No? Yes? Okay, first let me see whether the class is recording once. Yes. Okay, let's go ahead. I really want to do completing squares. Completing squares is another way of solving quadratic equation. Okay, without going over this, I'm not able to complete so many pieces of quadratic functions for you. So let's do this today, completing squares. Okay, now when I give you this equation, let's say I give you this equation. It's a quadratic equation. If I want to find the solution, what do you do? What do you do to find a solution for this? Each of you might have different ways. So what do you do to find a solution for this?
I'd see what you could multiply, the factors of 13.
But 13 are high. Factorizing doesn't work here, ma.
Yeah.
So you'll go with the quadratic. Naturally, you'll go with the quadratic formula. That's the fallback, right? Right?
Yeah.
We have gone over this, right? Hey, have we gone over this? Yeah, we have gone over this. So this was the easiest, okay? Meaning fallback is this, whatever be the quadratic equation, this will work, okay? But we don't want that whatever will work, right? I really want you to know how to make this into a square term. How do you make it as a square? Square means 2 squared, 4 squared, x plus 2 the whole square, x minus 2 the whole square. These are called square terms. I want to make it into a square term. How do I make it into a square term? Any thoughts? Meaning, I just group this and make it into a square term. X square plus 2x. What if I add or subtract, it will become a square? Go ahead.
If you subtract 2x, then
If you subtract 2x, yes, but can I make it a binomial? I want to add a constant or subtract a constant. I want to add or subtract a constant. Guys, it's not hard. What constant do you want to add or subtract? See, okay. If x plus 2 the whole square is a square term, do you see this has x square plus 4x plus 4, correct? I just have this term. What if I add or subtract, it will become a square.
1.
Good. What was that?
1.
How did you find that?
Because the middle would be 2ab. So
Exactly. Good job. The middle will be 2ab. You see, the middle is 2ab. A is 1 here, B is a 2 here. A is 1 here, B is a 2 here. See, so that's why this was a 4x, but then this should be b square. This should be b square means 4. Add or subtract 4, right? So here I would add a 1, but I cannot add a 1 without changing anything. I am being unfair if I just add a 1. So I'll add a 1, subtract a 1, and then add 13. Does that make sense? Now,
I don't
you all
really
know
get
that.
it.
You didn't get it? Okay. Okay. Let's come to a square term. Any square term. Okay. X plus 2 the whole square. What happens here? This is taken as AB. Okay. A square plus B square. Or I don't want to do that. Sorry. A square plus 2AB. 2AB means 2 times x times 2. Then the square term comes again. What is that? 2 square. You see, this is a square, this is b square. But when I want to complete squares, I have the first two terms with me. So, by looking at it, I know a is 1. 1x square, right? A is 1. It's always of the format ax square plus bx plus c, right? I don't want to confuse you with the standard form. Okay, so here, this one is a square term. This is a square term. This is basically 2ab because any square, binomial square, when expanded, gives you a square. The final is b square. In between is a plus 2ab or a minus 2ab if this is minus. So the middle term is always 2ab. You see, a is a 1 here.
Oh, yeah. Now I get it.
You got it? So, there is a formula for it. I don't want you to go with the formula. I'll tell you the formula as well. Okay? So, what you need to add here is the b squared. What is that b? You know 2 is in here. 1 is a. So, b has to be 1 if you think about it. If 2ab is 2. So, I have to add a 1. But I cannot just like that add a 1. So, I add a 1, subtract a 1 and copy this down. Okay, now regrouping, I group these two into a square term. I call it as x plus 1 the whole square, and then I do a plus 12 equal to 0. Does that make sense?
Yeah, now that makes sense.
Okay.
Wait, how do you figure out it's x plus 1 square?
Okay, no problem. See here. X square plus
wait.
2x. You got it?
Is it
where are you getting stuck? Tell me.
That makes sense. Okay, that makes sense. Never mind.
Make sense? Sure?
Yeah. Yeah.
No, Joe, don't just like that tell without understanding. If you didn't understand, you didn't understand. We have to go through again.
No, I just went through it in my head again.
So you got it now?
Yeah.
Okay. What I'm saying is here at the end, what happened? What was the answer? So what did we end up with? This was equal to 0. So x plus 1 the whole square is a minus 12. What does it mean, guys? Any thoughts? What will be the nature of the roots? What will be x values will be of what type?
Would it be like imaginary number?
I mean, yeah. So when you think about it, a square can never be negative. If it is negative, you're going to have imaginary answers. Got it? So how to deal with that? Let's see. X plus 2 the whole square equal to minus 12. Take square root on both sides. What do you get? X plus 2 will be equal to what? Whenever you take square root, right, it will end up with a plus or a minus answer. So square root of 12, you don't have anything like that, but it is 2 root 3. Because of the minus, you get 2 root 3i. Am I clear or no?
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
If you didn't get it, you have to stop me now. And then now x will be equal to plus or minus 2 root 3i minus 2. Or you can write it out as x equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 3i. That means x will be equal to minus 2 plus 2 root 3i is one answer. The other answer is minus 2 minus 2 root 3i. These two are called conjugates because the real part is the same, imaginary part is plus and minus. So these two are called conjugates. What is the conjugate of 1 plus j? J is the imaginary. Huh?
1 minus j.
1 minus j is the conjugate. And do you know why they are so important conjugates? Multiply these two and see. 1 times 1 is 1 minus j, and then j times 1 is plus j, and then minus j square. Here, considering j as I mean I should have considered it as I. If I consider it as I square is what? Minus 1, right? 1, these two get cancelled. This is a minus 1, so that becomes a real number. Do you see? Whenever a complex number is multiplied by its conjugate, it becomes a real number.
Oh yeah, whenever you divide with imaginary numbers, don't you use that, like the conjugate?
Yeah. Whenever we want to make, whenever there is an imaginary number in the denominator, we always multiply it by conjugate. If you remember, that's great. How about this? Would you be able to solve this? You think 5x square plus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. I'll do, I feel, guys. This one I'll do. Okay. I'll do, I feel, first. Or we'll do an easier one, guys. You don't need to do this one.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, go ahead.
can I ask you a restroom real quick?
Oh, please, go. Okay, how about this? I really want you to take it easy. Yeah, this one is easy. Why don't we try this one? X square plus 8x equal to 14. Okay, let me do this for you again. I'll give you different problems. Okay, so now you are the first two parts. So what should be the part that's added if I want to make it into a square term? What should be the part I add? Think about divide by 2 because the 2ab divide by 2. So 4x should be a times b. A is 1. So what should be added here?
4.
Do you add 4?
wait.
You're right, but wrong.
8.
What?
Guys, b square, guys.
16.
16 minus 16 equal to 14. So this one becomes a square term. X plus 4 the whole square will be equal to 30.
Wait, why would you do the negative 6 and subtract 16?
Because I want to make this as a square term. I cannot just like that add or subtract
yeah.
16. So that's why I add 0. You got it?
But wouldn't you just like add it on both sides anyway?
Yeah, you can do that. That's going to give the same, right? Okay, let's do that. No, let's do that and see. He wants to add on both sides. Let's do that.
Priyanti,
Uh,
Like it would give the same, but I don't know if
Yeah, it will be the same, right? Yes, Vidyut, go ahead.
Is the 16, isn't it just the square of half of the coefficient of x?
True, that's the formula. So completing squares, we are completing squares. We are making up square terms, right? In completing squares, the term that you need to add is b by 2a the whole square. They give it to you as a formula in school, but why do we do that? You have to know. If I give the formula directly to you, you'll always use that. So b by 2a the whole square is what? What is b by 2a the whole square? Here, you know a is 1. This is a. B you don't know, but 2ab is 8. A is 1. So b is 4, you already know. So 4 by 2 times 1, the whole square is what you need to add and subtract. B by 2a the whole square is a very cannot afford to forget. So let's continue this. Don't go by formula. Try how it works and then do. So here take square root on both sides. Square root of 30 is what? Oh, you cannot simplify. So then that would be x plus 4 will be equal to plus or minus square root of 30. X will be minus 4 plus or minus square root of 30 is the answer. Okay, I'll do more, okay? I think it requires some practice. I'll do 1 or 2 more maybe. I'll do easy ones. I've been doing hard ones. So let me go outside the book and take some. Give me 1 minute, okay? Let's take this problem. We can get into word problems once you get a hang of completing squares. Okay. Let's see this one. How about x square plus 6x? Can you complete squares? That's not a hard one. This one you can take it. X square plus 6x. Can you complete square? Meaning make it into a square term. That's all. What will that be? What will that be? You got it? If you can do it quickly, then it's easy for me. We can move on. Yes, Vidyut. And what will be the square term, Vidyut?
The square term?
What will be the square term? Meaning, what will you add? You gave me. But what will be the square term of this? X plus 3 the whole square, right?
Yeah.
Yep, you got it? Okay, the second one, make it into a square term. The second one, what will you add to make it to a square term? And what will be the square term? Sham correct. Johan correct. See, the second one, I just wanted to be careful. That's all. Why I gave you the second one is, again, you'll add plus or minus 9 here. But this one is a different square. What square is this? What square is that? This is x plus 3. What square is this?
X minus 3.
X minus 3. Why? A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square is, there is a minus in the middle. Make sense? Vishnuram, are you following Vishnuram?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, now let's go ahead and try this one. I have more problems that we can do. To give me a minute, guys. Okay, how about this? Okay, x square plus this one, if I give you, you will factorize it. I don't want you to factorize it. X square minus 8x plus 3. X square minus 8x plus 3. Yeah. Okay, now by the time you do that, I want you to understand the difference between the two forms of quadratic form. Okay, So f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Then you have what x form?
Wait, what are we supposed to do for the x squared minus 8x plus
I
b?
just want you to complete squares equal to 0.
Okay.
Complete squares and find out x.
Okay.
Complete squares and rewrite the equation, or whatever you want to do, you do. That's fine for me. Complete square and write this equation. I'll tell you why it is so important as well. It will take a few weeks. We'll nicely complete algebra 1, okay? So 8 weeks at least I'm thinking we'll take, okay? That way we become thorough. I know that we do touch algebra 2 with this, but that's okay. It's good to know. Keep doing, otherwise you'll forget by the time you go to algebra 2 because you have geometry in between. Johan, that seems right. இங்க இருக்கு கொண்டு போய் வச்சுங்க ட்ரால இருக்கு. Did you get it? Johan, is it right? I don't know, Johan. I'll check. Oh, yeah. Ritesh and Johan, you got the same answer. That's right. Yeah. Vidyut, that's right. Vishnuram, that's right. Okay. I can do it. Diya, are you following now?
Yeah.
Okay, here b by 2a, right? B is this. ax square plus bx plus c, right? B by 2 times the coefficient a. So 4 square. 4 square is I want to add and subtract. Plus 16 minus 16 plus 3 equal to 0. Now I'm going to combine this and make it into a square term. The middle term is minus. So x minus 4 the whole square minus, I'm getting 13. Oh yeah, you all got 13. Okay. So x minus 4 the whole square equal to 13. Take square root on both sides. X minus 4, whenever you take square roots, you have to have the answer as plus or minus 13. And then x will be equal to plus or minus, I should have written it as x equal to 4 plus or minus root 13. Make sense? Diya, nice one. Okay, now, I didn't mean to erase it, sorry. So here, let's see this one. See, standard form of a quadratic equation, school will be very easy, guys, if you understand this now, because the later part of the year is all going to be quadratics and it's all going to be all of this. Standard form is ax square plus bx plus c. If a function is written like this, 2x square plus 3x plus 5. This form of writing a quadratic equation, we say that it is in standard form. Whereas, if I give it to you in this form, you know what that means? This is called the vertex form. Vertex is h comma k. What is that vertex? If I have a parabola like this, what is that vertex? This is the vertex, right? If I have a parabola like this, vertex is here, correct? That vertex is indicated by this coordinate point 2, 3. Makes sense? H, k, x minus h the whole square plus k. Makes sense? Another thing I want you to see. Vertex is always the minimum point of the graph or the maximum point in the graph. Am I making sense? Whenever you are asked to find the minimum, maximize this function, minimize this function, then they're asking the lowest point of the graph or the highest point in the graph. Think always graphically, then quadratics becomes so easy. So now guys, what did we do all the while? We were converting something given like this into a square term we were converting. So basically in quadratics, if you want to convert standard form to vertex form, completing squares is really important. You have to complete square, meaning on a standard form equation, if you can complete square, you'll get this form and you will know the vertex. Does that make sense? Now, I have another question to you. This one I don't know whether I mentioned or not. Suppose if you're given a quadratic function like this, do you know how to find the vertex directly? The vertex, meaning x coordinate of the vertex is given by minus b by 2a. X coordinate of the vertex is given by minus b, a x square plus bx plus c. So it's just plug and play. Minus b divide by 2a. Am I making sense? So the x coordinate of the vertex is minus 3 by 4. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
How to find the y coordinate of the vertex? Tell me. How will you find the y coordinate of the vertex? If you really understand functions, you should be able to answer this.
Wouldn't it be 4?
How do you... Wouldn't that be 4? Why? How?
Because 4 is like a constant, that's why. And if x is like 0, then wouldn't it be like 4?
That... If x becomes 0, then that is your y-intercept of the graph. The graph intersects the y-axis at... You see what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So that's not your vertex, right?
Would you just
Oh, vertex. I'm sorry. I thought you said intercept.
Yeah, no problem. See, go ahead, Johan. I think you're right. What is that, Johan?
you just plug it in?
Yes, just plug it in. That is your input, right? Plug it into your function. F of minus 3 by 4 is your y coordinate of the vertex, right? The function value at x equal to minus 3 by 4. This is what is your y coordinate of the vertex, right? Am I making sense or no? If I'm not making sense, you have to say no. Because I know some of... It doesn't make sense for some time for some of us. But after that, it will make sense. But I want to know how many are there in that area.
I don't really like.
You don't really get it. Okay, I'll help you. So this is 9 by 8 9 by 8 minus 3 plus 4. So 9 by 8 plus
I thought
1.
that was a minus 3 by 4.
Oh, did I make a mistake? Oh, yeah, ma. Sorry. So minus 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is minus 18 by 8, right? So that is going to be minus 9 by 8 plus 4, which is, it was a 32. Minus 9 plus 32 by 8, right? 6 down. 6 down now. Minus 20. Plus 24 by 8. 3, yeah. Nice. I got a 3. So my x coordinate of the vertex is minus 3 by 4. Y coordinate of the vertex is 3. This is what I got. Okay, this is my vertex. Now, coming to Vidyut's question, right? Did you understand how to find out the x coordinate of the vertex from standard form, Vidyut?
Yeah.
Vertex is always the minimum point or the maximum point. You can have a ton of questions in algebra. Any, algebra 1 test. Wherever you go outside and attend, like what you're attending, Vidyut. So, see, try attempting those tests, guys. All the others as well. You will have like invitational contests. Algebra 1. Houston has it. University of Houston has a contest. You guys should go take it in person. You're all in Texas, right? University of Houston has a yearly, every year they conduct geometry contest, algebra 1 contest. So, if you want, yeah, go ahead.
The test that I did was practice for the invitationals in Tallahassee this year.
Florida, yeah, I see. Oh, I see. See, you have a lot more opportunities than others. That's what I'm saying with you. I have never seen so many competitions as you do. Okay. So nice that you have that exposure. So you will be always grinding algebra 1. So when it comes to PSAT, it's going to be very easy. So here, when you're given a quadratic equation in standard form, the x coordinate of the vertex is minus b by 2a. Plug and get it. And after that, how to find the y coordinate of the vertex? You know this is a function. This is your input. This is your output. How to find the output when your input is this? Input is minus 3 by 4. Just plug it in. Then you get the output. So that will be the y coordinate of the vertex. Any questions? There's a reason why we are always at the back of the vertex. We are always following the vertex now. Why, I'll tell you. And for you to convert this to a vertex form, what do? You take these two, then you make it into a square term, then you get the vertex. That is another way. One way to find the vertex is this, minus b by 2a, and then substitute it, find the y value, that is your vertex. Second way is convert it into complete squares, convert it into a square term, then you will get it in the format x minus h the whole square plus k. So then h comma k will be your vertex. I will do a lot of problems. Vidyut, did you understand why we are doing this?
Yeah, I understood.
You got it? Really, you got it, or you're simply saying you got it?
No, I actually got it this
Got
time.
it. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. How about this? No, I don't want to go to the book now. Book is a little hard.
Monty?
Yeah.
In the last problem
You didn't get it? Okay, wait.
No, it's I think the last part.
I made a mistake?
No, I was just asking, how do you get minus 9 plus 32?
Where, ma?
Oh, minus 9 plus 32 by 8.
Oh, did I make a mistake? Let me see.
Over
this
here.
One, right?
Over here.
Yeah. This one from here, right? So I expressed minus 3 by 4 as?
Minus 8. But you 6. Like doubled that, so.
Yeah. So here I did, this will be minus 9 by 4, right? So I converted to minus 18 by 8. And then minus 18 plus 9 is what? Minus 9 by 8, correct?
By 8, yeah.
So minus 9 by 8 plus 4.
4.
What is minus 9 by 8 plus 4? 4, I can write 30, it out as 8 by 8.
32.
32, correct. 32 by 8, yeah. So now add these two, you get 24. 25, yeah, sorry. 25. Wait. 32 minus 9 is what? 23 by 8, right? 23 by 8. Yes, I'm sorry. 23 by 8. You got it?
Okay. And you...
Go ahead.
No, it was 23 by 8 can't be simplified, can it?
Yeah, it can't be simplified. It's not 3. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
23 by 8. Can we move on? Okay, now let's go ahead and try this one. How about if I tell, I'll give you a parabolic equation. 3x square minus 12x plus 7. 3x square minus 12x plus 7. This is my parabola. You can visualize this as a graph. Always visualize it as a graph. Okay, before I go here, I really want you to understand the difference between this. Y equal to x square means what is the graph? Are you all with me? Okay. Y equal to minus x square means how will the graph be? What do you think? You put a table and check and tell me how will the graph be. You can put x, y values and tell me. There's a big difference between the two.
Wouldn't the graphs be like one will curve like this and then the other will curve the other way?
Like what?
Like one will be a U and then the other one will be like an upside down U.
Upside down U. Why? Do you see the big difference?
Because the x is negative.
X is negative. The coefficient of the leading term, the coefficient of the highest power of x is negative. So how about this? Y will be equal to 4x square plus 3x plus 5. How will the parabola be? Approximately. Meaning I don't want whether it's how. I am not asking you for the type of roots or anything. I'm just asking you what will be the shape of this parabola. It will be facing up, somewhere up. Okay, I don't know whether it's above the x-axis. All that I'm not bothered. It will be facing up. How about this? Minus x square plus 3x plus 8. How will this parabola be?
This is down.
Down. Whenever there is a leading negative, leading coefficient is a negative. Leading coefficient means in any polynomial means many terms are combined together, right? Many monomials are combined together. I have not gone there, guys. So let's only do this. This is called the leading coefficient. Suppose if I have a cubic function, 4x cube plus 3x square. Cube means the leading power is 3, you see? Here, what is the leading coefficient? This is the leading coefficient. You got it? The highest power of x coefficient is called the leading coefficient. Don't worry about all this, okay? Whenever the leading coefficient is negative, you see the pattern here. You know the parabola. If this is your parabola, does it have a maximum? Does it ever have a maximum? It goes on and on and on and on, right? It only has a minimum, and that's the vertex. If it's a parabola like this, does it have a maximum? Inverted parabola, does it have a maximum?
Yeah.
Yeah, it has, right? That point, vertex again. There is no minimum. It goes on and on and on and on. So, upward facing parabola always has a minimum. Downward facing parabola always has a maximum. Make sense? How do you find it? Minus b by 2a, comma, f of minus b by 2a. Make sense? Or you have to convert it to vertex form. Let's see. Let's do more problems. I really want to do more problems. Let's see. How about this? Can you find out the minimum value of 3x square minus 12x plus 7? 3x squared minus 12x plus 7. There are two ways of doing it. I'm not going to tell you what are the two ways. Anybody can do any way. Just tell me what is the minimum value of this function. If you're stuck, please ask. Minimum value of this function. There are two ways of doing it. If you don't know, just message if you're not wanting to ask. Oh wow, was that easy? I don't know the answer.
Yeah, I don't know. I just like
Mm, did I give it to you correctly? 3x square minus 12x plus 7, right?
I just like
is that
did it.
right? Huh?
I just did it and plugged it back in.
I don't think your answer is right. Can you tell me how you did with you?
So first I found like the like first I
Whenever you
completed the
see a minimum
square.
maximum question, it is finding your vertex. Go ahead.
Yeah, so I did negative 12 divided by 6 squared, which
I
gave me
know what mistake you did there. Okay. Negative. Yeah, go ahead.
negative 12 divided by 6 and then squared.
Divided by 6 and then squared it. Okay.
And then I got
So that was 2 square you should add, right? 3x square minus 12x plus 4 minus 4, correct? And then a plus 7. So what did you do then? This will.
and then I made that square.
Aha.
Oh, I
You know
see,
what?
I see, I see.
You know what happened? This has to be a square term, this has to be a square term, right? They are not.
Oh.
Oh, that's hard. It's a hard problem. What is this problem? Let me see, wait.
I said my answer.
Yeah, there is a little bit, it has to be dealt with differently with youth. Okay, I'll show you. I'm checking Johan. I'm not able to see your answer. Oh my gosh.
Oh, is mom turn?
Johan, bear with me. I'm not able to see your answer. Oh yeah, Johan, that's right. Can you tell us how you did? Yeah, that's right, Vishnuram. Oh, okay. By the way, how did you guys do, Johan? Did you do minus b by 2?
You know the minus b divided by 2a thing?
I did,
Okay. What did you do, Johan?
I did the same thing.
See, that's why you guys found it very easy. Okay, he found it using completing squares, he found it hard. Okay, I got it. Okay, see, when you want the minimum value, you know it's a vertex, right? Vidyut, very tricky, very easy way is just find out minus b by 2a. That is the x coordinate of the vertex, right?
Yeah.
Actually, the minimum value is substitute that into this and get the minimum value. So, what is minus b by 2a? Minus of minus 12 by 2 times 3. That's basically what? 12 by 6 equal to 2. So, what they are asking minimum value means in a parabola, this minimum value is the y coordinate. All y coordinate are the values of the at different points, right? So, substitute x equal to 2, you get 12 minus 24 plus 7, right? So, minus 12 plus 7 is a minus 5. Makes sense? So, 2 comma minus 5 is the vertex and the minimum value of this function is always the y value, which is minus 5. This is the easy way, but I am glad Vidyut did this way because this problem is hard when you do it using the changing into a vertex form. That is actually important. Okay, rather than doing minus b by 2a, you'll have to remember just the formula plugging in. It's not hard.
Oh, okay.
However, doing it using completing squares is a separate skill for this. Okay, that is a little difficult here. Why? Because the coefficient of x square is not 1. If it is 1, it makes it very easy. Whenever it's not 1, guys, 2-3 years back, I had a boy studying algebra 2. Okay, completion of squares clearly follows you on and on and on. Algebra 2 is so important. This boy, the exam was on completing squares. Only completing squares. All problems given were with the leading coefficient not equal to 1. He did the way Vidyut did and everything was a mistake in his test. So whenever you have this coefficient which is not equal to 1 and you have to complete squares, make sure you take it out. Take that out as common. Okay, then only there won't be any mistakes. Take it out as common, then rewrite this like this. You see what I mean? You take that out, make your coefficient as 1, rewrite it like this. Distributive property reverse. Between these two, you took out 3 as common. And then you do the completion of square only for what is inside the parenthesis. X square minus, now it becomes easy, see, plus 4 and the minus 4 should be inside the parenthesis. That is what is important here. Okay, equal to f of x. Now the problem is you can only make this as a square. Do you see it? The rest of it is to move out of the parenthesis. So this becomes x square minus 4x plus 4. I will have it inside the parenthesis. But this minus 12, 3 times minus 4, 12 has to move out of the parenthesis, right? That becomes minus 12 plus 4. Does it make sense? After this, 3 times x minus 2 the whole square minus 8 will be equal to f of x. So what happens now? Something feels wrong to me. Did we do it correctly? Plus 4 and then a minus 4 and then see, I copied it wrongly, guys. Nobody is saying, because we need to arrive at the same answer, right? See, so now minus 12 plus 7 is a minus 5. See, now the vertex is x minus h is your vertex, right? The minus is in the standard vertex form. So h is equal to 2, k equal to minus 5. That means the vertex is at 2 comma minus 5. You see, I am taking this as it is, x minus h. Even if there is a minus, take it as 2 as the vertex and minus 5. Whatever comes here is your minimum or maximum value. For this parabola, it is an upward facing parabola. So the minimum is minus 5. Ashwik, are you following?
Yeah.
Okay, one another issue. Okay, let me complete that. Okay, what is the vertex of this parabola, guys? What is the vertex of this parabola? That's a tricky question. What is the vertex of...
Maybe -3, -4.
Come again? What is that?
Would it be -3, -4?
Negative 3 and negative 4. Why? This is written as x minus minus 3 the whole squared. You see, then only it is of the form x minus h the whole square plus k. So please be careful. This is a very common mistake. There is a minus in the form. Okay, so if you have a plus, you have to split it and write down. So your vertex becomes minus 3. This one is written as it is, minus 4. Make sense? It's a common mistake. Okay, one more question, you can go. Okay, so let's see. One more question, with that we'll finish. Okay? Let's see. Okay, anyway, but this week I don't think I can give you homework from the book. We are not yet there. Okay, so let me just give you this. I'm sorry guys, it's so noisy in here. Hold on.
Oh, you're on mute.
I'm sorry guys. This is a quadratic equation in standard form. Convert it to vertex form. Convert to vertex form. Will we have a minimum or a maximum?
Maximum.
Why?
We would have a minimum.
Yeah, we'll have a minimum, right? This is an upward facing parabola. So we'll have a minimum value. So there are two questions. If we can answer this, we will get off. What is it, ma?
I forgot how to convert to vertex.
1 minute, sorry, I am not able to hear you. Wait, what is that?
I forgot to how to convert to vertex form.
You forgot. I'll give you clues. You're going to do it by yourself. Take
Okay.
these two.
Oh.
Got it? But you have to keep copying the +7. Don't miss numbers. When you add something, you have to subtract something. Finding the vertex is a treasure with Swarit. Oh, you got the last answer. That's nice, Shyam, Swarit, Pritisha, Situ. This will be really helpful for those of you who are studying Algebra 1 at school. Shyam, how is math at school, Shyam? Easy? You're not learning any of these, right? See, but you'll be learning more as well than what we study. That's what I saw your books actually. Some of the books I saw. You're also studying geometry, right? In between. I'm not teaching you geometry at all. See, that is one gap. But you'll manage. But we will be learning complex geometry after this. Fully geometry. So that's the difference I'm seeing between there and here.
Auntie,
Yes.
is my answer right?
I'll check. I'm sorry. I didn't see. Really? Is that the answer? Johan, I don't know Johan. I don't think. Oh yeah, you also got the same answer. Vidyut, wait, Vidyut. The same answer he has got as well. Wait. Vidyut. What? Oh yeah, both of you have got the same answer. So it should be right, I feel. Vidyut and Johan. Sham, yes, he also got this. Yeah, you all got it. Great. If you have understood, please log off. I don't want to take away more time at all.
That's
Okay,
great.
bye, Priya auntie.
Bye, guys. I'll give you homework only on this, but please do.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Yes, Ritish, I think you. Ma, see the K value. K value seems incorrect, ma. That's right,
The
Vishnura.
32? The 32.
Yes, Ashwin, correct. You can log off.
Oh,
I hope you all got it, guys. Completing squares is so important.
Did
You'll
I get
take
the
this forever.
vertex right?
What, Amma? Oh, yeah,
Did I?
you're right, Vishnura.
Alright, can I leave?
Yes.
is it that?
I didn't see. Yeah, not really. Something you're messing up. Let's
Oh,
see.
wait, I know what I did. I
You
know.
got it?
I keep
Okay.
adding the wrong. Instead of 7, I kept adding 4. Or
Oh,
like,
okay. Okay, okay.
I
That's
don't
why
know
you
where I
said.
got 4 from, but yeah.
Yeah, that's right. See, this is the best part of the class. Usually, completing squares, I can never complete it in a single class. It'll take a long time because it's
Hmm.
hard. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I could tell.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hey,
that's the right one, I'm pretty sure.
Auntie,
Ritisha, I have a request, Ritisha. Just ask your mom to register.
is
For
that
what?
Register. I want the registration form to be filled in.
Oh, for session 3?
Yes, please.
Did she forget to do it?
I thought so, but I may be wrong as well. Just ping me, meaning I don't know.
Okay,
Okay.
I'll ask her after class.
You didn't
But
get the
is my
reference.
answer right?
Yeah, yeah.
Aunt,
Yeah, yours is right. Yes, ma. Yeah,
yeah,
yours is right, Sarita. I already
okay,
verified. Diya's is right. Nice, Diya.
Okay, bye, auntie.
Bye, ma. What are you learning in school, Diya?
Um, we were, I don't really remember what we were going over because we didn't have a teacher for like a while. So
Oh
we were
my
just doing
goodness.
the
Even in
material.
math,
Yeah.
physics also you
So
had
we
a
just,
problem like that, right?
yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
So in math, like haven't really had a teacher for a while. And then she comes back 1 week and then teaches us a little bit and then
Oh,
just gives us a test.
okay. But I have one question.